Whisper.
You good?
Yeah, bossy. I'm good.
Wait. Who that?
That's none of your business, my girl.
Oh. Okay. And the woman where you claim say your boss. I see that. Mikey, you try. Mikey, a long time I know say you're that woman there or something, you know. I ask you to prove it now, you know. Mikey, try and make sure say no. Mikey, make sure say that that's my picnic there, you know. Make sure say my picnic there around that woman there, you know, Mikey.
You know, so me have to hang up though.
You know what, Mikey? I don't talk to you. I don't talk to you, Mikey. You know, just let me talk back to Destiny. Please and thank you, let me talk back to my daughter.
I don't talk to you.
You're trying to hang up your phone for me, you know? Mikey? I can't hang up. Mikey? I said, I start to start now. Mikey, hang up your phone.
You know she's a loose cannon though.
She have to find somewhere else to explode, you know. Because she can't explode over herself.
My advice to you is to whisper. Is try and don't aggravate that girl here no more. She know the kind of work what you do. And she will blow your cover.
You know, say she do that. And that did that wicked though.
The damage to that already done.
Then she would just become a target.
I done your youth, madam.
Bossy, at this point, I don't have much to say about her. Nor to do with her. I just want to know, so she talk to Destiny now and then. And that's it.
And that's the way you keep it.
Just a hope one day Destiny will understand what really happened. But me not be the one with a break her.